death following cosmetic surgery.
But first, police are on alert for more violence in Melbourne's outer north following a wild brawl involving schoolchildren and more than 100 onlookers. Witnesses claim racial tensions sparked the fight between students from Craigieburn Secondary College. Reporter Alicia McMillan joins us live now from Craigieburn Railway Station. Alicia, is there any sign of more trouble out there?
Well, thankfully not at this stage, but there are dozens of police patrolling Craigieburn. There are at least 10 members here at the train station alone. The mounted branch has been patrolling the secondary college, and the police helicopter has been a regular feature in the sky throughout the day. There are fears that a second brawl has been organised for after dark. In the meantime, police have been accused of using heavy-handed tactics to break up yesterday's clash, which witnesses say was sparked by racial tensions, as Andrew Lay reports.
The 13-year-old boy at the centre of yesterday's wild brawl was too scared to show his face today, his mum claiming he's the victim.
From school yesterday by a mob of Samoan boys. My daughter went to the shop to collect him so nothing would happen, and when she got to the shop it all escalated from there.
He and his 24-year-old sister were capsicum sprayed by police during the melee, which involved up to 100 youths.
It was the scariest thing you've ever seen. Like, cops were chasing everyone, like there was pepper spray just going everywhere. Like innocent people, like kids and stuff coming out of primary school still.
It did involve some islanders and it did involve some white Australians.
The sister accusing officers of being heavy-handed.
Disgusting. Very bad.
Both will be charged, along with a 17-year-old islander and a 38-year-old father, after 2 police were assaulted.
My officers aren't punching bags. We're not there to be punched by anyone.
It took 15 officers supported by the Air Wing to separate the brawlers. 20 others were affected by capsicum spray, including the Craigieburn secondary principal, who refused to reveal how staff knew about the fight.
There's no acceptance of that behaviour at our school.
Relatives of the islanders involved say it was racially motivated.
They said it's Aussie ones, that they've been racist.
And the school is divided between races. Everyone doesn't get along. It's always groups, stereotypes, races. And now that this has happened, it's gonna blaze. It's not gonna be good.
Tensions remained high today. Police patrolling the school early. Threats of further violence posted on Facebook were met with promises of a crackdown.
We've certainly relied on the assistance of other units and neighbouring stations to help us address this.
Mounted police also patrolling surrounding streets, with the school community still on edge. Andrew Lay, 10 News.
And 10 News can reveal Victoria is set to lose its only police task force